reason why I decided to ultimately come is because I just wanted to learn a few communication techniques to deal with some relationships that have conflict in my life. Heaps. I got heaps out of it. I came away with techniques. I came away with lots of ability to be able to understand how to centre myself and be able to respond, to draw the other person's opinions and their experience out, to then be able to hopefully turn it towards a positive outcome in the conversation. Well, for me it's about that intention of having peace in every aspect of my life, and part of that is in my core relationships or potentially even in my work partnerships. And I think it's got a huge application for children as well. I can see how that can be, and I think it has a huge application for many aspects. I just want to say thank you. I've learned a lot and it's been great and I can't wait to apply it.